Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your iPhone over to your TV or your computer. And this is actually really easy to do. So currently have it connected to my PC. And what I want to do is connect it to my TV or something else. So in the upper right side of the screen, just scroll on down using your finger where you see the battery percentage. Just scroll on down from there. Then go on over to this little box in the middle. You can see there's two little boxes. Hold down on that. And it'll open up this little box. It says screen mirror, where you can see your TV in here. LG, Lonely Screen. Lonely Screen is what I'm using to connect to my PC. And then LG obviously is my TV. And on like an Amazon Fire TV, you have to hold down the home button and then specifically select screen mirroring before it will pop up on your iPhone list. So a different brand of TV might be like that too. Just make sure it's in the screen mirroring mode and then it will pop up on this list. Now to do this on your PC, you're going to want this little application called Lonely Screen. And I have it open right here. Go to a web browser. Go to like google.com or Bing and type in Lonely Screen. And here's the direct URL, lonelyscreen.com. Go to download. Scroll on down. Get for Windows. Now it says it's for personal use or business use. You can just do the free trial and go to maybe later. And that's going to pop up on you. But you can still use it in the free trial mode. And you should be good to go. So you can see I have Lonely Screen connected right here. I have it connected to my laptop, MSI laptop for gaming. And here is the camera. And it seems like it works well. I don't know what the latency is, but it seems like it's pretty good. Maybe like a quarter second. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.